Example 2, arithmetic sequence. Part A. Find the nth term of the sequence 9, 4, -1, -6, -11. Part A. The nth term means the Tn. We will apply the formula of nth term of arithmetic sequence, which is T sub n equals A plus n minus 1 D. In order to use this formula, we have to know the first term, what is the first term A, and then we have to find out the common difference D. From the sequence, we can see that the first term appear here is 9. So A equals 9 plus n remaining as n. D is the common difference or the difference between two consecutive terms. So we can pick any term and just minus the previous term. Let's say I pick 4 second term minus the first term. I will get 4 minus 9 -5. So our common difference here is -5. Just simplify, expand and simplify and leave our answer in the simplest form. Okay, part B. Find the first 6 terms. So we have to find T1 up to T6 and then find the T sub 300 of the sequence 13, 7 and 1. 13 will be our first term and we will find out the common difference after subtracting 7 and 13. But firstly, we have to find the first 6 term, T1, T2, T3, 4, T5 and T6. T1 is the first term. Simply write down as 13 and then to make it easy we find out the D first. Second term minus first term. 7 minus 13 minus 6. So instead of using formula for all the 6 term, we can just minus 6 from the previous term. For example, here if I minus 13 minus 6, I will get 7. To get the third term, I just simply minus 6 here. 7 minus 6 is 1. And then for the fourth term, 1 minus 6, -5. Continue, -5 minus 6, -11. And then the last one, the sixth term, -11 minus 6 is -17. We've done the first part and then continue with the second part, T300. T sub 300, A plus n minus 1 D, where the A is 13 plus 300 minus 1 times -6. And then we will get the answer -1781. Part C. Let's look at the question first. We have to find the thousandth term given that the T11 of arithmetic sequence is 52 and then the second equation is T19th equals 92. So we take out the information T11 T sub 11 equals 52 and then the second information given T of 19 equals 92. By using the formula of the nth term of arithmetic, which is Tn equals A plus bracket n minus 1D, so we use the first information first. N equals 11, so 11 minus 1, we've got 10 here. And then this equation is equal to 52. And then we use the second example, the second information, T sub 19 equals 92. By substituting 19 in this formula, we will get T19 equals A plus 18D. And then this one is actually, the value of this one is actually 92. So here we go, the second equation. And then what's next? You just have apply some algebra here. Simplify and solving simultaneous equation. Let's say the first equation minus the second equation. We get negative 8d. So d equals 5 here. And then what we have to do is just substituting this value d equals 5 in any one equation here. So let's say I substitute d in the first equation. I will get substitute d equals 5 in first equation. We get a plus 10 times 5 equals 52. And then 10 times 5 is 50. 52 minus 50 is 2. So this is our first term, 2. Then settle the first part, find the value a and d. We proceed with the second part. We have to find the t sub the 1000th term of this sequence. Solving this equation, so we just have to substitute all the information that we have so far, d equals 5, a equals 2 in this formula. So what do we get here? Tn equals 2 plus 5 bracket n minus 1, and then we expand 5 and 2 minus 5 is negative 3. So we just have to substitute in order to get the t 1000. We just have to substitute n equals 1000. We will get t sub 1000 equals 5, and replacing with 1000 minus 3, the answer is 4997.